Imagine this, you are 25, your salary is average, your expenses are rising, and the idea of becoming a crorepati feels like a fantasy for rich people. But what if I told you you can build a rupees 1 crore portfolio by the age of your 40? Without a high salary, without a business, and without taking crazy risk. Today, I'll show you the exact formula anyone can follow. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ishita and today I'm breaking down the real mathematical practical roadmap for building a rupees 1 crore investment portfolio starting at the age of 25. This is the video I wish someone made for me when I started my financial journey. Let's jump right into the video. Here's the truth nobody says. Becoming a crorepati does not depend on your salary, it depends on your habits. Even a person earning rupees 25,000 per month can become a crorepati if they just start early. And the magic behind this? Compounding. Let's break it down. To reach 1 crore, assuming 12% return, which is realistic in equity mutual fund. Option A, start at 25 years, invest rupees 6,000 per month. By age 40, you get nearly around 1 crore, 1 lakh. Option B, start at 30, invest rupees 11,000 per month. By age 45, you have nearly 1 crore. And option C, start at 35, invest 25,000 per month. By age 50, you have 1 crore. See the difference? Start early, contribute less, reach faster. Start late and pay double or triple. This is why the golden age to start investing is 25 years. Step 1. Choose the right investment option, and this is the most important thing. Not FD, not RD, not savings account. To grow your money, you need equity mutual funds, SIPs, index funds, Nifty 50, Sensex, Nifty, Next 50. These give 10 to 14% long-term return, beating inflation. My recommended structure would be 50% in Nifty 50 index fund, 30% in Nifty Next 50 index fund, and 20% in Flexi Cap mutual fund. Simple, clean, yet proven. Step 2. Increase SIP every year. And this is the secret weapon. If you increase your SIP by just 10% every year, you will reach 1 crore even faster. For example, at 6,000 per month, next year 6,600, next year 7,260, and so on. You won't even feel the increase, but your wealth will explode. Step 3. Automate everything. Don't depend on discipline, depend on automation. For example, auto SIP, auto debit, auto increase SIP yearly. Keep a 6-month emergency fund so you never break your SIP. People don't get rich because they lack discipline. They get rich because they remove the need for discipline. Let me tell you about my friend Rahul. He started investing at the age of 25, exactly 6,000 rupees per month. He never stopped his SIP. He never tried to time the market. He just stayed consistent. Today, in his late 30s, he is already at rupees 78 lakh, even before reaching 40. Simply because he started early and stayed consistent. He is not a genius. He is neither a CEO. He is just consistent. And that's your power too. And here's your action plan. Start today and do these things. Number 1. Start a 6,000 rupees SIP. Increase it by 10% every year. Invest only in equity index plus flexi cap. Build a 6-month emergency fund. Stay invested for 15 years minimum. You will reach the 1 crore mark even if your income is average. This is not a dream. It's math. If you want me to make a video on exact rupees 1 crore portfolio step by step with apps, funds and SIP calculator, just comment crorepati plan below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It motivates me to bring more financial contents for you. Thank you. See you next time.